If your Samsung Beverage Center pitcher isn't filling, don't panic. This is one of the most common issues users deal with, and the good news is you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get your autofill pitcher working smoothly again. First, start with the simplest fix, releasing trapped water and pressure. Open your fridge and look near the bottom of the autofill area. You'll notice a small drain plug tucked right underneath. Gently unscrew it and let any excess water drain out completely. Sometimes pressure builds inside the line, and this quick release is all it takes to restore the flow. Once it's done draining, close the plug firmly and check if the pitcher starts filling again. If it doesn't, your pitcher might simply be misaligned. The autofill system relies on a magnet sensor to detect whether the pitcher is placed correctly. If it's even slightly off position, the fridge won't send water at all. Make sure the pitcher is lined up perfectly on the guides. Try nudging it a little forward or backward until it clicks into place. Some people even place a small object behind the pitcher temporarily to make sure it's pushed all the way in. Still no luck? Then you can do a light inspection of the sensor wiring. Above the autofill area, remove the top cap carefully. Underneath it, you'll find a screw. Remove that to open the panel just enough to see the wiring harness. Look for the double blue wire connected to the sensor. Unplugging it briefly can help you confirm if the sensor is faulty, but don't forget to plug it back in before closing everything up. After reassembling the panel, reset the system. If you see a filter light or a flashing icon, press and hold the door alarm button for 3 seconds to unlock the panel. Then press and hold the ice maker button for another 3 seconds. This resets the autofill controls and clears any glitches that might be blocking water from reaching the pitcher. Once you've gone through these steps, your beverage center should be back to normal and the pitcher should start filling automatically again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get everything running smoothly. If you're dealing with any other fridge issues, feel free to reach out. Good luck with your fix.